I'm Michael Melendrez. I own a retail nursery in Los Lunas, New Mexico called Trees That Please. But I also happen to own a soil company that repairs soil and makes it healthy called Soil Secrets. Now, a lot of people think that they are not cut out to be a gardener. They might even say, I've got a black thumb. Everything I plant dies. But really the truth is that you don't have a black thumb, you just have soil that's not particularly healthy. At Trees That Please, we hate it when somebody buys one of our trees and takes it home and it dies. That's not good for the customer and it's not good for us. So we have learned through the many, many years of research and development with our Soil Secrets company that if we can teach that customer how to make their soil a healthier soil, then there's a greater chance of success. The tree they buy from us is going to be healthy and will grow vigorously. So when you plant a tree in an unhealthy soil, one of two things is going to happen. It's either not going to live or it's just going to grow really slow. Most of us are too impatient for the slow. We know that the key to success in growing a healthy tree or shrub or a healthy lawn is that we have to make the soil a healthier soil. The fact is that no fertilizer has ever made a soil a healthier place. So what can? And the answer is Soil Secrets. Soil Secrets is a biomimetic company. In other words, we are observing how nature works and we copy nature. We use nature as our inspiration by creating products that are identical to what nature would do, therefore giving us a healthier soil. So I hope that you will visit the Trees That Please nursery and study our website, learn what we're doing, and become our customer. Thank you very much.